In this video, I will be showing you how to create a high center thumbnail in Canva. Let's get started. Starting on the Canva homepage, I move my cursor up to the top left and click on the Create a Design button. From the menu under Frequently Used, I select YouTube Thumbnail to open up a fresh, blank canvas in the standard 16 by 9 dimensions. Once the editor loads, I head over to the left-hand toolbar and click on Canva AI. This opens up the AI Assistant panel where I can generate custom designs based on a text prompt. I click into the input box labeled Describe Your Idea so I can provide a detailed prompt. To generate a high-performing thumbnail that captures attention and drives clicks, I enter a prompt describing a high-impact travel vlog thumbnail featuring a close-up of a shocked traveler on the right, a sunny tropical island beach in the background, and bold, bright yellow text on the left that clearly reads, "I got lost." With high contrast and dynamic lighting, I quickly review the prompt to ensure all the visual specifications are in place, and then I click the purple arrow button at the bottom to start generating. Now, Canva AI begins building the thumbnail. It analyzes the prompt, brainstorms creative directions, maps out the layout, and polishes the visual details to ensure strong contrast and clear focal points. We will let it process for a few moments while it brings together the background scene, expressive subject, and bold typography. Once the generation finishes, the complete thumbnail appears right on our canvas, showcasing vibrant colors and clear, readable text. I click the arrow to collapse the side panel for a full view of the workspace, and then click onto the canvas to review the layout and inspect the final design elements. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to create high center thumbnail in Canva.